This episode explores turning dried herbs into fresh blends in under a minute using a compact coffee grinder. Step 1. Grind sparingly, pulse until you hear a whisper of aroma, then sift to separate dust. Mix the resulting powder with neutral oil to create a flavor infusion you can drop into sauces or dressings. Real-life example: grind a pinch of dried oregano with lemon zest, heat a drizzle of oil, and finish pasta. With this tool, cooks save money, reduce waste, and elevate everyday meals without cluttering the counter.